8 Amazing Health Benefits of Baobab Fruit. What is baobab? The baobab fruit comes from Africa's tree of life and is known as Africa's superfruit. The baobab fruit is known because it has the ability to dry out on the branch. Some would say that it has a likeness to coconut and has a hard brown outer shell. When the outer shell of the fruit is opened, there is no moisture inside. The inside of the baobab fruit consists of a dry white powder-like substance. It is the dry white powder-like substance that is extracted. Baobab nutritional value. Extremely rich in fiber. High levels of vitamin C. High levels of potassium. 6 to 7 times more antioxidants than other fruit. Magnesium. Calcium. Iron. 8 Amazing Health Benefits of Baobab Fruit. Baobab improves circulatory health. Baobab boosts immunity. Baobab has anti-inflammatory properties. Baobab lowers blood pressure. Baobab treats chronic diseases. Baobab increases bone strength. Baobab relieves gastrointestinal issues. Baobab promotes growth and repair. 1. Baobab improves circulatory health. One of the reasons that baobab is called a superfruit is because of its concentration of certain minerals, which includes iron. This is important as this mineral is a key component of hemoglobin, that transports oxygenated blood throughout our body. This can prevent anemia and provide our body with a major energy boost. This is also be used to give your body a quick pick-me-up. 2. Baobab boosts immunity. Baobab has high levels of vitamin C that gives it a great immune system boosting potential, with antioxidants, which increases the white blood cell count in your body and stimulates the immune system to fight off foreign pathogens. 3. Baobab has anti-inflammatory properties. Baobab has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with a number of health conditions such as aches, pains, stomach upset, respiratory conditions, injuries, to name a few. This is done by reducing inflammation in the body, giving your immune system more time to focus on other important tasks such as eradicating pathogens and foreign bodies. 4. Baobab lowers blood pressure. Baobab lowers blood pressure so that your heart does not have to work too hard and helps with atherosclerosis, strokes, heart attacks and other cardiovascular complications. Potassium is another important mineral that this fruit contains, which is very beneficial for your heart health. It will help ease the strain on the cardiovascular system by dilating the blood vessels and arteries by increasing the blood flow and maintaining your heart health. 5. Baobab treats chronic diseases. Baobab is packed with free radical neutralizing compounds. Antioxidant levels can be measured by the number of oxygen radicals a fruit or food is able to absorb, and baobab does extremely well in this test. This means that baobab is able to prevent a wide range of chronic diseases, which includes some forms of cancer that develop when these free radicals cause healthy cells to mutate. 6. Baobab increases bone strength. Baobab increases bone strength because of its concentrated minerals, calcium and magnesium, that are very important when it comes to bone health and strength. As we get older, our bone strength and density decreases, also known as age-related degradation. Adding baobab to your daily health routine will help to keep your bones strong and healthy. 7. Baobab relieves gastrointestinal issues. Baobab relieves gastrointestinal issues due to its extremely high levels of fiber. Baobab contains 2 types of fiber, which are soluble and insoluble. These fibers are brilliant for the gut health. It will optimize the digestive process and reduce any inflammation in the gut. Another brilliant thing is that it will also help to regulate glucose and insulin levels in the blood and will even lower any negative cholesterol. This will also help to boost your health. It will also improve and balance out the bacteria levels in your gut, and this will greatly improve the digestive system. 8. Baobab promotes growth and repair. As mentioned earlier, baobab contains vitamin C, which also contains key components of collagen, which our body needs for the repair and growth of cells, tissues, cartilage, blood vessels and bone. High levels of ascorbic acid does not just protect our immune system, it also ensures that our body will develop normally and heal when injured and in times of illnesses and/or surgeries. Thank you for watching. Please spread the love, like and share.